In this video, we're going to show you how to do a four-wheel brake bleed on your Hyundai Sonata. Let's get started. Using our TRQ brake cleaner and a clean rag, we're going to spray our rag and clean the top of our master cylinder, get away any dust or dirt that might fall in when we open the cap. Remove the cap for the master cylinder. Using a fluid extractor, remove the old fluid. On our cap, it says to use .3 brake fluid. We're going to grab our TRQ .3 brake fluid and fill the master cylinder. There's a mark located on the side of the master cylinder for the max line. We're going to fill the master cylinder to the max line. If you're having trouble seeing the brake fluid, you can use a flashlight, point it down inside, or give it a wiggle, and you can see the fluid. Once your reservoir is at the max line, put the cap back on. Remove the bleeder cap. Install your bleeder bottle and hose. Have an assistant in the car pump up the brakes. Go ahead. Holding, using a 10mm wrench. Open the bleeder screw.
Floor.
Once you hear floor, go ahead and close it. Repeat this process 2 to 3 more times or until nice clear fluid comes out of the hose with no bubbles. Go ahead and pump it.
Hold. Floor.
Pump it.
Hold. Floor.
Pump it.
Hold. Floor.
Pump it.
Hold. Floor.
Pump it.
Hold. Floor. Hold. Floor.
One more. Go ahead.
Hold. Floor.
Now that we've had nice clean brake fluid with no bubbles come through our hose, we can remove our collection bottle, clean the area with our parts cleaner, wipe it down with a clean rag, and reinstall the bleeder. Take the cap off the master cylinder, fill the brake fluid until it's at the max line on the reservoir. Once you're at the max line, reinstall the cap, and then move on to the next caliper. Our next wheel is going to be on the left front. We have nice new TRQ brakes and calipers. We're going to remove the bleeder cap. Install our bleeder bottle. Have an assistant pump up the brakes, and then using an 11mm socket, we're going to open the bleeder screw.
Hold. Floor.
Pump it.
Hold. Floor.
One more.
Hold. Floor.
And one last time.
Hold. Floor.
Now that we have nice clean fluid with no bubbles coming out of our caliper, we can remove the bleeder bottle. Spray the area using some TRQ brake clean, and wipe it with a clean rag. Install the bleeder screw. Install the bleeder cap. Take the cap off the master cylinder. Fill the brake fluid until it's at the max line on the reservoir. Once you're at the max line, reinstall the cap. Now we're going to move on to the left rear wheel. Remove the cap. Install the bleeder bottle. Go ahead and pump it up.
Hold.
Using a 10mm wrench, open the bleeder screw,
Floor.
close it. Go ahead.
Hold. Floor.
Go ahead.
Hold. Floor.
Go ahead.
Hold. Floor.
Go ahead.
Hold. Floor.
One more time.
Hold. Floor.
One more.
Hold. Floor.
Now that we have nice clean fluid coming out of our hose with no bubbles, we can remove our bleeder, spray down the area, wipe it down, and install the bleeder cap. Take the cap off the master cylinder, fill the brake fluid until it's at the max line on the reservoir. Once you're at the max line, reinstall the cap. Then we'll move to the right front wheel. Remove the bleeder cap. Ours is missing on this one. Install the bleeder bottle. Go ahead.
Hold.
Using a 10mm wrench.
Floor.
Go ahead.
Hold. Floor.
Go ahead.
Hold. Floor.
Go ahead.
Hold. Floor.
One last one.
Hold. Floor.
We can see that we have nice clean fluid. We can remove our bleeder bottle. Clean the area with our parts cleaner. Wipe it down with a rag. Reinstall the bleeder. We do not have one. Reinstall the wheels. Torque them to 80 foot-pounds. Remove the master cylinder cap. Top off the fluid to the max line. Reinstall the cap, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.